Alright, so we're talking about doing key replacement for a Chromebook. To remove it, there's 4 points of retention here, 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 and here. Looks like this. Underneath, you can see the little points here, here, here under my thumb, and here. You come in underneath and you lift, you just do a slight pry with whatever pry tool you have. It'll come up, and you come over to this side. If it doesn't work, try the other side. And then try the fourth side. Once you get it up going, at some point it'll be ready to come off. Tweezers are useful, or you can use screwdrivers, any small pry device. It'll come up. It'll look like this. You'll have the white chip, you'll have the little plastic flex assembly, then you'll have on the bottom, if you look underneath this, this is the actual button that registers the keystroke. There's 4 metal kind of retention stands. We come over here to this paper. These are the pieces exploded. So this works similar to, it'll lift. You can see it lift right there. I don't know if we can. Here, we'll get it down here.
There it goes, that's better.
So here's how it lifts back and forth. So that assembly. When you have a damaged key, that assembly will look like this. If we come over to this other one, boom, right here, you see it's slightly deformed. It won't work. You can try as much as you want, it won't work. So if you have an irreparably or water damage repaired Chromebook, what you can do is you can open up, remove it just like we did, and then you'll take this key that we just pulled out and you'd remove this from it. Then you would take it. Let's see if we can pull this guy off and I'll show you. Boom, and see if you get underneath it and it pops out. You want to try and not deform it at all, and it'll come across. Then what you'll do is you'll bring it over. Here, when it sits, if you look at how it operates, you'll see that there is a short piece and a long piece right there. That short piece goes low, and if you're confused, you just look at these posts that are in there, and you can kind of see how they fit in. They're only fit in one way. So what I'm doing is I'm putting that tooth, it's kind of an L-shaped tooth. So if you look at it, it looks kind of like this. And here is the black edge, the black little bar gets put under kind of like this is what I'm trying to do. So if you can see what we just did there, I'm hooking it underneath this direction. And then I am using the other one right here to get it underneath that direction. So now we've got the bottom piece. If you come from an angle here on the camera, the bottom piece is now set. Then we just lay down the top piece. You'll see this post and this post needs to be 90 degrees both directions and straight. So now both those 4 posts, or all 4 of those posts are there. We're going to take the key right here, this key which doesn't have anything in it. So now this is ready and we're just going to lay it over the top. Kind of line it up. And then you'll hear all 4 of them click in. Then we have a key. If it starts doing that, just need to work it around till it finds the key that it needs. And that's a key replacement.